Hey, sorry I haven't been making any videos lately. It's been too hot. Like most of the country, we're going through a heat wave right now, but I thought I'd share one of my little tricks with you guys. My husband was against us having a clothesline. Technically, we live within city limits. We have fence all around. He was like, no clothesline. But a couple years ago, I finally talked him into it. My one rule was I can't build it. Like, I have to make do with what we have. And being we have a fence close to our house, I found these little things in his like tool junk drawer, I guess you'd say it. Like there's an eye hook. There's another hook. I don't know what that's for, but it works perfect. And then you come over here. That I think is supposed to go on a door. And another hook. But I found all those around our house. So I didn't have to make any extra screws. I just screwed out the ones that are holding the fence up and screwed them back in. And then I didn't alter the house any. Again, I just removed the screws and put them back in. And it's with this heat wave, I don't want to do laundry and heat the house up, but we still have to do laundry because we have to wear clothes. But what's nice about this is, again, I could take it down any time of the year. When it's winter time, I put the string away, but I just hook it back up. And right now there's no clothesline. But then when I do the laundry, I just easily set them both back up. I mean, I usually have to like fix one and put it on top of the other. I mean, pretty easy to do. So as you see, there's our clotheslines. And I didn't have to do anything extra, didn't have to build nothing. I just had to remove some screws and then put in some goodies that I found in my hubby's junk drawer. And so with this heat wave, hopefully this could help somebody, that you could still do your clothes and dry them and not worry about heating up your house. Thanks again, guys.